Welcome to Kannamma Cooks. Today we will be making appams made with Elaneer, that is tender coconut. This is one of the easiest and tastiest appams you will ever make. The flavor of fermented tender coconut is so delicious and makes for soft and lazy appams. Here is how to do it. We will be using SEERAGA SAMBA rice for making this appam today. This rice is very fragrant, very delicate and pairs very well with the tender coconut meat. Any good quality raw rice can also be used if you cannot source SEERAGA SAMBA rice. I have used 2 cups of rice today. Add little fenugreek seeds to the rice. Wash the rice and the fenugreek seeds in water once or twice. After washing, soak the rice and the fenugreek seeds in water for a couple of hours. After couple of hours, the rice should be well soaked. Drain the water and set aside. We will be using the meat and water from one tender coconut. Drain the water from the tender coconut. Break open the coconut after draining the water. Some coconuts have a good amount of meat while some have very less. Use whatever coconut meat you have. I have about 1/4 cup of coconut meat here for this recipe today and that's perfectly fine. If you have more, use it too. Add in the drained rice mixture to a blender. Add in the prepared coconut meat. Add in the cooked rice. The rice will help in fermentation. Add in the tender coconut water. Add up to 2 cups of tender coconut water and grind this mixture to a smooth paste. Grind the mixture in batches if need be. The rice mixture needs to be ground to a really fine paste similar to that of the texture of paint. To the ground paste, add in the salt. Add in a tablespoon of sugar. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of instant active dry yeast to the batter. Mix everything well to combine. Cover the batter bowl with the lid and ferment the batter in a draft-free place for about 6 hours. Overnight works fine too. If the place where you live is cold, you can ferment the batter inside the oven with the pilot light turned on. After fermentation, the batter would have risen, foamed up and smell very yeasty. The appam batter consistency should be thin, little thinner than the dosai batter consistency. Add water only if necessary to adjust the consistency of the appam batter. Heat appam kadai or appachatti until hot. Ladle some batter into the kadai in the middle. Slowly rotate the pan to make the appam batter adhere to all over the sides of the pan. Use your hands to rotate the pan in a circular motion and guide the batter to stick to all over the sides. Cover with the lid and let it cook for a minute on medium flame. Appam cooks only on one side. Appam is done when the sides are brown. Remove the appam slowly with the help of a spatula. Serve the appam with sweet coconut milk and vegetable stew or mutton stew and it makes for a fantastic breakfast or dinner. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, show us some love by hitting that little like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.